Well, how am I telling them to do? This year the Queen quit. Head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee nation. Plenty of people around the world and things like that. Now yet who will be? That's why we were there upon this year too. 100 years ago, called Gullah Geechee, land and legacy. We want to bring out, we call it things like that, bring in the shadow and things like that. They are close for the rest of the children. But yet, who we do? From we, who did? From Dung Young, Amnesia Island, called Sea Islands, from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki, to Jacksonville, Florida. So 100 children that journey with we, then 100 go yet more, but who we to be as the Gullah Geechee. So we will make sure 100 children give thanks for find we at gullahgeechee.net. gullahgeechee.net. Go on and support the Gullah Geechee Land and Legacy World Tour with myself and the Gullah Connection. We still going around the world shouting for who we do for truth. This year the Queen quit, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, founder of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition.